Hello, everyone, and welcome to C++, Introduction to C++. Its course name is supposed to be CSCI 131. Make sure you're in the right course. Excuse me. So this is just an introduction video, just to get you guys started. So as soon as you log into Canvas, this is what you're going to be seeing. The first thing you're going to be doing is clicking here. So the video that I'm making right now, that'll be posted here. And you'll be able to see that and hopefully get started on it. So I think I already made an announcement that says click on the start here page to get started. After that, we have the syllabus. So let's go over the syllabus, what is expected of you and of me and everybody. So it's this class, C++. We'll make this a little bigger. Excuse me. So emphasis on this course is it's mainly introduction to C++. So the minimum requirement for this class, this is actually wrong. That's not the minimum requirement. The minimum requirement for this course is Python. You have to take introduction to Python with at least 2.0. So you know a little bit about programming already. So most of you have already taken that with me or some other instructors. That's great. If you're new and you have no idea about anything about programming, please let me know, talk to me so we can work something out. There's a couple of things that are wrong with it. It says Python programming, so this is wrong. Also, I'll go and change that on Canvas. Um, I was making Python syllabus and C++ syllabus at the same time, so I just copied the wrong picture. All right. What else? What else? It is an all online class. So everything will be posted online. I'll have a lecture video posted. For some of the easier topics, I may not have a lecture video posted, but for most of it, I'll have a lecture video posted each week, telling you how to do the assignments and all that stuff. Once again, it is an introduction class, so we may not be able to get very deep into C++, how to change memory locations and stuff, or pointers. I think we'll get to pointers and stuff, but any of the objects and everything related to C++, we may not be able to get to that. If you are, that's great. I have everything ready. I'll make more videos to explain everything. So if you have any questions, any concerns, don't hesitate to reach out to me. My office phone number is listed here. That goes into building 29, room 333, and I'll be available there. My office hours are listed here. Obviously, you can go in and look at that. I believe at 3 to 4 days of office hours. Uh, it's mixed with Zoom and in person. So if you wanted to see me in person, you can. This is the link also for office hours. You can also book an appointment with me. If you have an appointment, you get priority. If you don't have an appointment, it's just first come, first serve. And if somebody's there already, you just gotta wait. What else? The book. So most important thing for this course is the book. I'm using and referencing 10th edition. 9th edition I think would be okay as well. I think 9th edition is cheaper. But it's me. I'm not actually assigning, giving you assignments from the book. So what I'm doing is I'm giving you uh, reading materials from the book. So when I refer chapter 3, I one thing I don't know is if the same chapters applies to edition 9 or not, or they changed some chapter numbers or anything like that. So make sure you buy the book. Book is required. There's a lot of reading material uh, involved with this. Like I said, this is an online class, so everything is posted. My lectures will be posted. It is up to you to submit the assignment. I can only put in reminders. I can make announcements. I can tell you guys what to do, what not to do. It's up to you to actually follow those. Um, if you're falling behind or anything like that, please let me know. Like I said, I'm available throughout the week for my office hours, so you can stop and talk to me anytime. For this class, Windows machine is required. Visual Studio will be using Visual Studio. It only runs on Windows. It does not work on Mac. For C++. For C++ version, it only runs on Windows, so make sure you have that, or you can borrow one from IT or library. Um, right. So I have videos posted how to install Visual Studio and how to get started. We'll go over that in a minute as well. For this class, obviously, good internet connection because you'll be submitting, getting all the information from Canvas and submitting it to Canvas. So you need internet for that. My expectation for this class, it says 3 hours per week. I would actually say 5 hours per credit. So that would come out to about 25 hours a week. You'll be spending doing assignments, listening to lectures, watching videos, and all that stuff. I'll be posting my videos, and I'll be posting videos from recommended videos outside Canvas as well. So you'll get a chance to see those as well. If you need any help, email is the best way to communicate with me. If you do email me, please let me know which class you're from and what the question is. Please be precise and don't be like copy and pasted the code, fix it. So that won't work. Make sure you're actually explaining what you want me to do if you're sharing your code. All assignments will be due on by Sunday midnight. So hopefully, if you're not able to make it by Sunday, if you need any extension, let me know. You'll just lose some percent of the points. You can turn in late 1 day, maybe or two days. If you're turning in 4 weeks late or a week late, that probably not going to work. So come to email me, talk to me if anything arises. Obviously, we'll work on it. Grading criteria, you have homework assignments, we have quizzes, discussions online, we have final exam and midterm or final project. That's 25% of the grade. We may not have midterm, may only have two finals. I haven't actually decided yet. If I have a midterm, I'll let you know, but I think it'll just be mostly final exam that works well for online classes. So like I said, it is an online class, but every Sunday you'll have something due. It's not like everything is due all the way at the end. I have tried that and did not work well. Most of the students at the end are like, I can't really do this. I need more time. So at that point, I can't give them more time because I have due dates to submit the grades as well. All right. So every week you'll have something due. Grade for this class, 4.0 is 98%. That's for all CSCI classes, and that is also for UW classes as well. So UW started this, and we're just complying with that. What else? What else? What else? Yes. What else? Did I miss anything? Yes. Think I talk about plagiarism in here. Plagiarism would be so if you copied someone else's work from online, AI, anything like that. If you get caught, obviously there's no warning. I'm forced to turn you in, and I have to turn you into student services. I think that goes for all the faculty. So make sure there you don't do anything stupid, or you don't try to copy or cheat during any of your assignments. Like I said, the first time there is no warning, it's just a zero for this class, and you will be submitted to student services, and they may expel you or do whatever after that. I don't really know, but make sure you're not cheating. Okay. This is just the outline of the course. So I may be changing this around a little bit, but I'll try to stick with this. We may not be able to get to Stacks and Q, depending on how the class is going. If it's too hard for students, I may slow down and move some of the topics around, change it to 2 weeks. All right. So the next we have syllabus about the professor. So that's me. Excuse me. Uh, excuse me. My office hours are listed here. A little bit about me. My name is Usman Rizvi, and I'll be the instructor, obviously. And I'm actually a senior software engineer for a company called Performance Software, and I've been working for them for over 10 years. I graduated from UW. I While I was actually going through university, I excuse me, I got an internship with this company, and right after internship, when I got my degree, they hired me full time, and ever since then, I've been working for them, and it's been going great. I love it. I loved it there. And last year, I actually quit my job and decided to do full time teaching. So I'll be the professor full time now, and that's been my passion. I've been teaching since 2016 part time, and now I've decided to pursue that full time. And I've My company works for Boeing. They worked on several different. I had a pleasure of working on several different projects. Um, my company works for Boeing, so I design software for Boeing. And all the software that I designed are installed in the cockpit of the aircrafts. The last project I worked on was for 777X, and I've done projects in C, C++, C Sharp, Java, Python, PHP, JavaScript, everything, almost all of the languages. Ada, Ada is probably old now, but yeah. What else? What else? Yeah, so if you have any questions, you just want to talk, come stop by my office hours, email me. If you have any questions, I'm here to help you. Um, so this quiz right here, um, is the prior knowledge quiz. So this is required within 3 days of this class. So make sure you take this. It's only 3 points. And there are three questions. I just want to know how much of knowledge do you have of the subject beforehand. And so don't try to cheat or anything like that. Whatever you know, just put it down. I think it's uh, it's only 3 points. I just want to test the knowledge, and it is required for you to do it by January 10th, because if on the fourth day, they've asked me for online courses to drop students who are not here. So if you haven't taken this quiz, that means you're not here, and I will be forced to drop you, and that is because of financial aid reasons and tuition reasons. So please take this quiz as soon as possible. This is another quiz. This is due on Sunday midnight. Um, Syllabus academic integrity pledge. So let's actually take that quiz, and I'll show you what that consists of. So this is just a statement that you will not be cheating. All you need to do is write your name um, and a statement that you accept this, and just submit the quiz. So this is just like a contract between you and I that you will not be cheating in this class. Right. And this right here. Next thing is download and install Visual Studio with C++. I made a video. You can actually watch this video and follow along and install this on your computer. It is required for week 1, so make sure you have that ready. Otherwise, you won't be able to do the assignments. All right, so now let's go back to the modules. So as soon as you log in, you're going to see something like this. The first thing you're going to be doing for each week, you have module 1 learning resources. So every module have a learning resources. This is module 1. This is week 1. So you can click on learning resources. You'll get something like this. Do you have slides posted here? Everything that's due on Canvas is listed here. For the first week, I don't have video posted here, but I have it somewhere else. I'll show you. Main things I want you to do in the first week is discussion. I think there are two discussions. There's a syllabus you have to do. You have to read the syllabus. You have to take the pledge, and you have to do the prior knowledge. So I don't think you have an actual assignment. We'll get to that in a minute. So this is the first discussion that you have to do. You have to submit something by Wednesday, and your your response by Wednesday, and then you have to reply to 2 other students by Sunday. Okay. Oh, my bad. So there is an assignment. It is very simple assignment. And it's mainly to show me that you were able to set up Visual Studio and write some kind of code. And I basically explained that assignment in this video. So the lecture video is posted with the assignment. That'll help you with the assignment. Okay, so watch this video before doing this assignment. Recommended reading for this week is posted here. It is from chapter, I believe, 1. Yeah, chapter 1. So recommended reading is not graded. It is highly recommended. If I feel like students are falling behind and they're not actually reading, so I'm gonna be assigning exercise questions from the book, and then you'll be turning in those questions, the coding. So I'd make sure you get those done. So that's module 2. That's for later, and any announcements that I make will be posted here. I think I have one announcement that says welcome to CSCI, but other than that, everything should be okay. All right. Yeah, if you have any questions, any concerns, please let me know. There are other videos posted. Please watch those. And this is just an introduction video. Thank you.